I'm going to show you how to remove the drain on your roto coolers. This works for 45, 80, 95, 150, and 250 quart coolers. For this job, you'll need a hammer, flathead screwdriver, and a T20 Torx bit. We're going to start by removing the drain plug. You need to remove this set screw with the Torx bit. And then we need to remove the plug. The easiest way to start is with your flathead screwdriver and your hammer. Hit it counterclockwise and it should break it loose, and you should be able to pull it out by hand. When you order a drain 01, you will get the drain itself. You'll get a set screw. You'll get the drain cap, which should have an O-ring on the inside, and you'll get a foam seal. We need to put the foam seal around the large threaded part of the drain all the way to the bottom. Next, we will take up this and we will just thread it into the cooler. Get it as tight as you can by hand first, and then we need to take your flathead screwdriver and your hammer and seat it a little bit more. Next, we will take the Torx bit, the cap, and the set screw, and we are going to replace this. If the original hole does not line up, that's okay. You can make a new hole in the cooler. It is not going to leak. So just screw the set screw in until it is tight. Careful not to over tighten it to where it strips. And then replace your cap. And you are all done.